Hey, what's up people, it's your boy Avijoy here, back again with another video. So in this video I will tell you and show you the best Python IDE for Android, and that is the PyDroid. So where you will get it, so you can check the link in the description and it will directly turn up to your Play Store. So here you can see the PyDroid. I have already downloaded it just now, and so in sometimes you don't have the computer for around you to just edit or do any Python assignment or something. So a phone everybody has nowadays, a smartphone, and Android is pretty sure that 95% people use it. So now we are just going to open this up. So here the Python ID is there. So let us see what option we get. Interpreter, we get terminal, settings, etc. So we will write so you can also see basic features here: tab, the colon, semicolon, and the inverted comma, hashtag, etc., the brackets, and here is the run button. This is the run button. So we will write first a simple program, that is the print hello world. So this is a Python 3 I guess, so it will be in brackets. The first program for everyone, it is so famous, I don't know why. So hello world, and we will run it, and here you can see hello world is finished. So now we will do a tricky one, like some addition. Let's do addition. Okay, so let us take a is equal to 5. We are not taking user input, we are just taking predefined values. So sum is equal to a plus b, and we're gonna print sum. So let us write addition value is equal to, give a space here, let us write a comma and give the keyword sum, and now let's run it. So here you can see 5 plus 4 is 9. So yeah, you can see the programs are running, and so this was in this video. Hope you like this video. So this was the Python onto your Android. You can undo and redo things. Go to line, you can here get names, get to assignment, go to definitions. Here is the folder, you can save the file as a .py and also run .py files. So yeah, this was the Python IDE for Android, and it is the best one right now. It has interpreter, and no internet is required to run the Python programs, and fully featured terminal is also there. So let us go to, yeah, you can see the terminal is there. So let us first use the terminal a bit, like so yeah, in the terminal, so let us try a normal simple command, that is the Python version command. So that is Python -version. So let us check which version is this. So it is running Python 3.7.2. so yeah, the terminal is also running perfectly. So yeah, it has everything in it. It is a full packaged IDE. And that's it in this video. Hope you like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up later. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye, see ya, peace.